Hello everyone! Had you ever happened when trying to get the data from the tables or the databases on SQL that the data that you get is only strings and not the value that you want, for example, numbers or booleans? How to fix that? I'm gonna show you now how to do that. It's very easy to understand why it's this happening, but it could be for two single reasons. First, you could get the data from the SQL petition, and your the data always is gonna be string. When you get them from the SQL, from the databases, and you have to parse it to the appropriate number. For example, this is a position on the screen. This should be an integer 10. I had to cast it to int, or instead add int val function, and that's all. The data is in getting on the proper format, but instead is getting it on strings. You have to cast it. That's all. But that's the first reason. Maybe you had a JSON inside, and for example, you have a JSON inside of a value of a cell on the databases on a table. For example, is what I'm doing here. I don't want to create another table. It's not worth it. So I create a JSON object with some params and save it on the as a string on the table, on a row. On a column. How to get the data? It's with JSON decode that transform it to JSON object. But if you are doing this, then if you do that, the problem could be that you are not telling to the JSON decode function to try to analyze and find what kind of data is here on the row. And if you don't add this true value, it could transform this into a string object only. You have to add this true value here, this true param here, sorry, and it transform it on data from, for example, from many kinds of data types. For example, booleans, integers, floats, etc., etc., etc. I don't know how to say that on English. I'm not a English native, as you can hear the speaker. Okay, as you can see here, on the kappa data, this kappa here only are string values because I only adding string values. The first solution for the first error that you could have. Let me show you how, when I use this inval function, it transforms itself to integer, as well as this JSON fuente. This one is a JSON, but right now at this point doesn't have this true value. It could not show, could not have the proper format. For example, JSON fuente is not initialize it. Okay, it's not a data type. Type here. Then again, it's JSON fuente, not JSON fuente here. Now has std class, but surprisingly it had the proper format. I don't know why. It could happen that it doesn't have it. If that happened to you, you have to add only true param, and that's all. Okay, but let me show you how it works with this inval function, and let me see if this is the proper way to cast it, if it could work with only this. If it throws an error, then this is not valid way to cast. It's better to use this function. Okay, let me save, stop this, come to the page, reload, start the debugger again, reload it again, and now it have the proper format. I'm sure of this. Let me see this kappa variable. Kappa, let me see. Okay, the ID now is a number, and the position now is a number too. It's an integer. What I want is a float number, but it should have its own function. Let me see. Flat val. Then it exists. Really, it exists. Then now I can parse the data as I want into data that I want to that it are numbers, that it has to be numbers. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to leave a question on the comment section, and then I'm gonna try to respond to answer you as quickly as possible. If you wanna help me with this kind of tutorials, if you want more like these videos, please make a donation on PayPal or on Patreon. The links are on the screen and on the below on the description. And if you have no money but want to help me, please open a inval undefined. Is this double T int val sorry for that. You can create an account on library. It's similar to YouTube. It's a platform for videos, but that platform doesn't censor you and pay you from the day one with crypto devices. You can open an account with my referral links below on the description and first comment, and create your own account. If you verify that account, then you are gonna helping me with some rewards. And you can too watch videos of black humor on library. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Let me show you for finish this that it's working properly now. It had the data type that I want, ID on integer, and the position and the width and height on the float number. That's all I wanted. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I wish this really helps you. And for the JSON object, I showed you before that it had true needed format before, so there is no need to see that. But if you have the issue of saying it, let me see if no, it don't found it. Sorry. Okay, I don't know what that error here, but it's not for the change that I do. It's another kind of error here. Okay, let me refresh again if I found. Okay, this JSON found here. Let me see if there is an object at some point. No, not error, crash it out. Okay, but I have shown you how to fix that, as I told you before. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you later and have a nice day.